Chat is a time-saving internal communication tool that is built into Wildix Collaboration. To use this feature, hover over a colleague and select the chat icon. The chat feature in Wildix is easy to use and similar to other instant messaging platforms. You can quickly communicate with colleagues and even send and receive files. To share a file, you can click on the attachment icon and select a file, or you can simply drag a file onto a chat session. If you have a microphone, there's a voice-to-text option you can use, and even a variety of emojis you can use in your chats. Additionally, you can start a voice or video call and even start a screen share from within a chat session.